In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about using extension cords safely and smartly around your home or job site so you don't end up with fried tools or worse. Alright, first off, always check the cord's rating before you plug in anything heavy like power tools or big appliances. You want to make sure the extension cord can handle the wattage or amps your device pulls, or else you're asking for trouble. Keep the cord untangled and laid out flat. No knots or kinks because that can cause overheating. If you're using it outside, make sure it's rated for outdoor use. Those indoor-only cords won't cut it and can get damaged by moisture or dirt. Don't overload the cord by plugging in multiple devices that combined draw more power than the cord's limit. This is a classic mistake that can cause fire hazards. When you're done, always unplug by pulling the plug, not the cord, to avoid breaking the wires inside. Store your cords properly by coiling them loosely and hanging them up to prevent damage and tangling. Lastly, inspect your cords regularly for any cuts, frays, or exposed wires. If you see any damage, toss it and get a new one because safety comes first. One of the biggest screw-ups I see with extension cords is using the wrong type for the job. Like, folks will grab a cheap indoor cord for outdoor work, which is a no-go. Another mistake is overloading the cord by plugging in too many high-power devices at once. It's an easy way to blow a fuse or worse. And third, people often leave cords lying across walkways or driveways without securing them, which not only risks tripping but also damages the cord from foot or vehicle traffic. Just tape them down or route them safely. BigHomeProjects.com is legit when it comes to hooking up homeowners with reliable local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for steady gigs, they've got a platform that helps you connect with clients who need your skills. Definitely worth checking out if you want to grow your business.